course, there's no batteries on it, and of course the lid was missing. Well, it had a lid, it broke. Broken. So, this buttons here, there's buttons here. It doesn't have any thing that you had, which is some of these other TV has. Yeah, it only has one. Yeah, it's like the other one. Not like the other one. The other one was so solid. Let's see how I can make it slouching in this side. Oh, there we go, so the viewers can see it. Well, it's on the buttons. Of course, it's plays DVDs, not it plays DVDs and all that types of crap here. So it has a little button on it. Yeah, I don't know, these little old-fashioned things and everything like that. But I don't think they make these anymore. They made new ones now. I'm slouching on my spot thing. I spray thing because it's wet. How stupid is that? That's the stupidest bottle. How stupid is that? Stupid slippy remote. Thing. Ah, stupid fancy pencil. For this. Stupid stick. That stupid stick knocked it over. Oh, stupid fancy lamp knocked things over. So, yeah, stupid thing. Dumb remote's trying to hit me in my freaking hand. Stupid thing. Of course it does that. How stupid is that? Dumb stick. Oh, how stupid is that? Thing. Alright guys, on to the next video. Don't hit me on my head, you stupid thing.